There are people in this world who have the talent and resources to create the home of their dreams. There are others who want their dream home but need the help. People like Alicia and her sister Michelle. They are the reason we're here. Meet the all-star Hometalkers. They help you do it yourself so you can create the home you love. These are real people, real projects, real stories. This is DIY Nearby. How long have you lived in this home?
Since October of 2004.
Where were you before?
In an apartment, pretty much down the street. This was for sale and it was a little less expensive than the apartment, and I grabbed it. I was very excited to be owning my own home. Great goal. Oh, it's it's a better financially. It's a good investment, and you feel more stable, and you can do what you want with your own home. So actually, John, you don't actually know what's going on this weekend, so this is a good time to do this because
Wait, what is going on this weekend?
With my and Aunt Lisa's help, we're gonna do the demo. I'm all excited, and I drank Diet Coke. So we're gonna do the demo and paint and take that carpet up, and it's gonna look so pretty. And we're gonna do it all in one weekend because if you do these things organizedly, you can get it done in one weekend. So the projects that we're going to do in your entranceway this weekend are starting with the stairs. We're going to pull up the carpet and install new flooring in the hallway, repaint your walls, give your existing banister a new look, refinish your staircase, and upgrade your light, all for under $500.
Then we were off to Lowe's.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you feeling? Today's the big day.
Feel good.
Are you excited?
I am. Last night was very exciting, picking all kinds of fun stuff out at Lowe's.
We're gonna get started.
Okay.
All right.
Coffee.
Okay, so now that we're here,
Yes.
you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna rip up the carpeting
All
first.
right.
So
Let's
it's very
go.
simple. And pull.
Okay.
Okay. Shelly, sometimes the carpet gets stuck, so
okay.
you have to pry it out, and a little crowbar will work really well.
Okay.
So now we ripped up the carpet and we ripped up the patty. So now we have to take off these tack strips.
Okay.
And the tack strips are what holds the carpet down.
So I don't even need that.
Yep, there you go. Now don't break it. Yep, now just keep going.
Shake it.
There you go.
Don't break
Yep,
it.
that's the easiest
My
way.
hand
There
is
you go. Good job,
naked.
sissy.
Thanks.
Okay, so to put the padding down, the tack strips are for the carpet, but for the padding, they staple it. So you got to get all those staples up.
So there's a staple in there?
Yeah, so you can either use a flathead,
Okay.
go underneath it and pry it, or you can use a pliers. Shelly, what are you doing?
This works fine.
No,
This
no.
works great.
Okay,
Look.
no, you're using the wrong tool.
What? What's wrong? It goes. It
No,
works.
you're going to use this. This
Why?
is because.
right.
So, I mean, look at this.
Oh yeah, I guess that's a lot.
Yeah, look at that. Bam, bam. These are your railings that we took down. The top and take it straight down. So the next step is, now that we got the railing off, and wow, it looks really good, we're going to sand. And we're gonna tape off, we're gonna like enclose the stairwell with just a plastic drop cloth, and we're gonna use painter's tape and tape it up on your ceiling. We're going to use this sander. This is a rotary sander. You can also use a palm sander. The objective is to get any spots like this, spots off, because we're gonna stain these.
Yeah.
So now it's time to prime. Because
Why can't I just paint?
Because these walls are painted with semi-gloss,
Oh, yeah.
and the paint won't stick.
It'll slide right
It'll
off.
slide right off. So we're gonna start by trimming the wall. Okay, so this is what I use all the time. This is like a super duper trimmer. So you're just gonna take this and put it in the paint. You don't wanna immerse it. You're just gonna like skim the top, roll that right along. So you do a W. That's how you put your paint on. Y and no W.
No, why?
Because it makes more coverage. If you just went like this,
Yeah.
you're not going to get too much coverage.
well, see.
So you're going to be painting all
day long?
So now we're ready to paint the trim, and we taped off the stairs because we don't want the treads to get paint on them because we're staining them.
Okay.
So you're just gonna take your semi-gloss paint and you're just gonna go around, and you can like pretty much, I don't wanna say slop this on, but you don't have to be real neat along the wall because we're gonna paint the wall a color. And again, it doesn't matter if you get paint on this, on the kick plate or the risers, because we're gonna paint this too.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's all gonna get painted too.
Oh, with the same?
With the same
Okay.
semi-gloss, yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Once the primer is dry, it's time for paint. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that shell. That's really pretty. We're gonna stain your steps.
What did we do first?
We cleaned them off, we sanded them, and then we swept them, and then we wiped them down. And you're just gonna put it on. Now this is really gonna soak in because this wood is not sealed in any way. If you don't want it that dark, you can wipe some of it off, see? You can wipe it. See, then it's not as dark. So you just wanna wipe your excess away. So now, Shelly, we're gonna lay your flooring. So this is called a floating floor. And the reason it's called floating is it has this, like, it's almost like a rubber backing, I guess, on it. And you do not stick it down. It floats on top of the floor. It's a floating floor. And the cool thing about this is it locks together. See, and how it does not come apart. And when we need to cut, we're just gonna use a utility knife. You just have to make a couple scores. You use a speed square. It's really cut nice and deep now. So you're just gonna break it. Okay, now that we have the main flooring laid, we're going to have to lay these little pieces in front of the doors. And for this, you're just going to be cutting your piece. You have to continue to stagger them, but you're just going to lay small pieces in here. Okay, floor is laid. Now we have to do the transition molding from a carpet to the wood floor. So we're just gonna measure. There you go.
All right.
Snippity-doo-dah.
Then you just pop it in
So
there.
all you do is just lay it on top. It's
Like stuff the carpet under it.
Yep, it's just transitioning from the carpet to the wood. So you just go like that. Now we stain the steps, they're dry, and we're going to do a coat of polyurethane on top of them. This is not a gloss, so it won't be slippery.
But I'm looking forward to, having something that gives more of that pop factor when you walk in my house. And I'm really looking forward to being able to have hardwood on the stairs.
That's it.
That's it, that's all she wrote. Favorite part about the DIY? Getting to spend time with Shelly.
Oh,
No, seriously.
it's nice.
She's very busy since she has 3 kids and I'm busy. We don't get to spend a lot of time together.
That's very true.
So it was fun. I mean, I had fun.
I had fun. We laughed a lot.
We did. We laughed a lot. What was your fun part?
Ripping up the carpet.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was fun. Yay, good job. You worked really hard, sister.
Do you feel like after doing this, you can do more projects in your house alone?
Yes.
It
That'd
would be
be fun.
daunted. It would be daunting.
No, it's not as daunting because you know what to expect.
So what's the next project you're gonna do in your house?
Probably the basement.
Rip the carpet?
Mm-hmm, rip up the carpet and paint. Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
The people, projects, and stories featured on this episode come from viewers like you.